So in this tutorial, I want to talk about how you can read the RAR files on your iPhone. So let's get into it. So if you open up the files, you might come across a situation like I'm in right now, that there is a file which I can click on, but nothing happens. Like it doesn't work, it's not supported. When I hold down on it and check out the information tab, you can see in detail the file type and everything, so you can check it out in here. And the way that we can fix it, or at least make it work, is not using the built-in apps, but we need to grab one from the App Store. So in there, go to the search and literally just type in RAR, right? And you can see a couple of different apps. For example, I like to use this one, which is downloaded. You can open it up and start using it, but I recommend you to come back to the Files app, locate the unsupported RAR file, and click on Share. Through the selection here, just find the app we just downloaded. So for me, it shows up right away, but if it doesn't, click on More, and then it should be part of this list right here. So just click on this and select it, open it through this app. And you can see that this file has been moved over, and now you can tap on it and essentially extract it and open it. So you can see we've got this new folder. We can check out what's inside of that file, and in fact, it is just an image. So that's how you can open and get inside, like view the RAR files on your iPhone. So that's gonna be about it from me. Let me know below if it worked. Subscribe for more guides and tutorials like this one, and I'll see you later.